Everybody, let's have our next topic today, and the name of the topic is, you can see over here and speak with me, conjunctions. Very nice. So we have to open our page number 248, that of your BBC Compacta, in which the topic conjunction is written and it's number 13. So let's have a look on what are conjunctions basically. Before I move with these examples, I would like to tell you the basic definition of conjunction which is given in your BBC. So can we have a look over there? Yes. A conjunction is a word that joins words or parts of sentences together. That means either it joins a word or it joins phrases or parts of sentences together. So conjunction can simply be called as a glue. ग्लू जो दो चीज़ों को जोड़ देती है. वेरी नाइस. दैट मीन्स इसका काम बहुत ही अच्छा है, ये दो चीज़ों को जोड़ती है. लेकिन हम देखेंगे अभी इन दीज सेंटेंसेस वील बी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स इट कैन एक्चुअली पुट अ ग्लू इनसाइड. सो लेट्स सी विद फ्यू एग्जांपल्स. Jack and Jill went up the hill. So these were the two words. Jack and Jill were the two names to which the conjunctions have actually joined. So हमने यहाँ पे कौन सा conjunction use करा? And. So we have joined these two words. अगर if suppose this conjunction is not there, then also this would have been a sentence. Jill went up the hill, and this would have been Jack. Jack is the name of a person. Simple. Then moving further, it also helps you to join two phrases. Now there are two phrases: a young woman, an old woman, and we are joining it with conjunction. इसको glue लगा दिया. A young woman and an old woman. Perfect. So we are adding phrases as well. Then let's see one more example of words. There are two words: hot and cold. So we are joining them with conjunction. Is the tea hot or cold? So we are joining two words here. So let's see how do we join a sentence. There are two different sentences and we are joining them. I am sick, so I am not going to school. So here we are able to join the sentences. Fine. Then we go to a doctor when we are sick. When we are sick. So you all are awake? So when we are sick. So here also there are two sentences. So these sentences sometimes can be independent or can be dependent. What does that mean? That is what I'll tell you in the another story where I have kept here. सो ये इंडिपेंडेंट है. वी गो टू अ डॉक्टर. हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. हाँ जाते हैं. तो पूरा सेंटेंस भी है एक तरह से. वी आर सिक. हम सब बीमार हैं. सो वी आर यूजिंग द कंजंक्शंस टू जॉइन फ्यू of the words or phrases. Phrases you understand, like a teacher uses in class: stand ups, sit down. So these are the parts of a sentence which may or may not have full meaning. So that's phrase. Jack and Jill are the words. So that's how we use conjunctions. So let's have something important. Now the conjunctions can be of two types. This is not exactly given in your BBC, but I am going to tell you this. This is just for your knowledge. For a while it's given you EDAC, but we are not doing the main part from EDAC. We'll only be doing the exercises. So you must know this thing. There are two types of conjunctions which is mentioned in your book: coordinating and subordinating. Coordinating conjunctions, they join the sentences or the statements of equal importance. कई बार दो statements होती हैं जिनकी equal importance होती है. That means they are independent. उनको किसी के सहारे की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. उनको ज्वाइन करने के लिए we use coordinating conjunctions. and there is subordinating, in which two statements, in which one is dependent on the other. एक statement दूसरी statement के ऊपर dependent रहती है. उसका half अगर निकाल देंगे तो उसका कोई meaning नहीं रहता. We did not go. कहाँ नहीं गए, क्यों नहीं गए. So question अभी भी pending है ना. That means it is dependent upon something and it's dependent upon that. Because it rained. अगर मैं इसको अलग निकाल लूँ, because it rained, then also because it rained, उसके पहले तो उसका इफेक्ट क्या हुआ. So that means there are subordinating conjunctions and coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions, you simply just need to know that they are used when two equal importance के sentences को हम join करते हैं, और यहाँ पे हम equal importance के sentences को नहीं join करते हैं. I mean unequal importance के sentences को join करने के लिए भी conjunctions use होते हैं. दैट मीन्स कंजंक्शन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कंजंक्शन उनको एक मीनिंग दे देता है और दो सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करके एक सेंटेंस बना देता है. वो एक दूसरे के सहारे से एक फुल सेंटेंस, कंप्लीट सेंटेंस लगने लगते हैं. हम इसका एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं फ्रॉम द लास्ट बोर्ड आई हैड. आई एम सिक. दिस इज़ अ नॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट. इट्स अ फुल सेंटेंस. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्कूल. बस दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ फुल सेंटेंस. फुल्ली है, इक्वल इंपॉर्टेंस है दोनों की, बट वी आर यूजिंग सो इन बिटवीन एंड वी जॉइनिंग दैट, एंड उनका मीनिंग कनेक्ट हो गया है. सो दैट्स हाउ वी जॉइन. मूविंग लिटिल फर्दर फ्रॉम योर BBC. Those were the basics which I have told you about the conjunction. Now we have to study the usage of each of the conjunctions. Now we are not going to define them into subordinating and coordinating. We are just going to understand the usage of these. We are going to study about the connectors. Contrast दिखाने के लिए कौन से conjunctions use हो सकते हैं, और हमें choice दिखाने के लिए कौन से use हो सकते हैं, and then reason दिखाने के लिए place, condition, result. So हम usage के ऊपर उसकी बात करेंगे. So then we'll be solving the exercises. So let's move further. We are going to have look at some common conjunctions. Can you have look at this? Our conjunctions are like a glue. And, nor, till, as, if, though, whereas, that, then, so, yet, but, so, after, that, until, since, because, before, unless, whether, as soon as. Abhi recently we have studied prepositions. So don't confuse prepositions with conjunctions. There will be few which are used as prepositions as well and conjunctions as well. After, until, this you have already studied in your prepositions as well. But that's okay. The usage defines their purpose. Then is first and the most important conjunction we have as and. And is a very common one. So these are the three very common one. And, but, or. So they're the most common one. And, but, and, or, which is written in your book. So we're going to study. We use and to join the phrases and sentences that show similar idea. The main purpose is it shows the similar ideas and should not have any opposite meaning. उन दोनों चीज़ों का opposite meaning होना ही नहीं चाहिए. That's the condition. I have a cat and a dog. अगर आप इसके दो sentences लिखते I have a cat, I have a dog, उसकी जगह पे we have made one sentence using a conjunction. I have a cat and a dog. I like apples, pears and mango. इसके three sentences बनाने पड़ते. I like apples, I like pears, I like mangoes. So in that place we have made one sentence using the conjunction. इनका कोई भी opposite meaning नहीं है. आपको equally maybe you're liking them. Many men and women come to see the fair. Simple. और इसको दो sentences में करेंगे. Many men came to see the fair. Many women came to see the fair. Or we are writing many men and women came to see the fair. Came to see the fair. So moving little further. But. Now we use but to join phrases, sentences that have different or opposite meaning. Now they are going to have different or opposite ideas. To show some kind of contrast or difference. Contrast के लिए no doubt we'll be using more There are more of conjunctions which we use for contrast, but is the most simple one, जो simplest sentences के लिए use होता है. Neha likes tea, but Shreya likes coffee. अभी opposite है. You can cut that. I felt angry, but kept quiet. The rope is thin, but it is strong. Thin है तो हम सोचते हैं weak होगी, but opposite idea says it's strong. मैं बहुत गुस्से में था. अगर कोई गुस्से में होता है, if somebody is angry, the person doesn't keep quiet, the person start fighting, but the opposite is I kept quiet. Or the next more common conjunction, we use or to join word, phrases, sentences when we talk about a choice or an alternative. जब हम कोई alternative देते, you can do this or you can do that, something like this. Would you like rice or noodles? You are giving choice. Do you like playing football or cricket? अगर आप दो sentences बोले तो कैसे लगेगा? Do you like football? Do you like cricket? No, we are just asking in one sentence. Do you like playing football or cricket? Moving further, it can also be used to join the opposite words. Opposite, यहाँ पे ये opposite नहीं थे. They were not exactly opposite. We were giving them the choice. लेकिन हम exactly opposite की भी choice दे सकते हैं using the or. Do you want your coffee hot or cold? है तो opposite words, लेकिन उसमें हम choice दे रहे हैं. Easy. So the main are and, but in or. Moving further, when we are making the sentences little complex, and then we add connectors that join similar ideas. There are few more connectors that join similar ideas. There are few connectors that shows contrast. ये same ideas के connectors हो गए, ये contrast show करने के लिए हो गए, और ये choice show करने के लिए हो गए. I think this is what we have studied here. Yes, similar ideas, the opposite ideas or the contrast or the choice. But now we are adding few more in it. हम कुछ और add कर रहे हैं. That's what you have to study today. And after that we are having some more, जिसमें हमें reason, place, condition and result पता चलता है. That we will be studying in our next video. So let's see and finish up with similar ideas, contrast and choice. So let's see. Beside and, that's what besides and के साथ साथ, I told you the meaning of besides in your preposition. And के साथ साथ हम ये सब भी use कर सकते हैं. We can use connectors such as not only but also. इसको कैसे use करेंगे? As well as and both and इनको together भी use कर सकते हैं. तो let's see the example. He is not only rich but also honest. अगर हमने simple बोलना हो, he is rich and honest, वो simple था. But making it little complex, we have used he is not only rich but also honest. He as well as his parents is illiterate. पढ़े लिखे नहीं है वो. He is both rich and honest. दो sentences में if we define the he is honest, he is rich, rather we have written he is both rich and honest. So that's how we use connectors for the similar ideas. That brings variation in your language. Moving further, we have connectors that show contrast. Few more besides but again. But के साथ साथ besides word is used when you are using the additional things. Yet, still, while, however, though, although, it shows the contrast. So let's see the example. He worked hard, yet he failed. उसने बहुत work hard करा, but he failed. और yet he failed. फिर भी वो fail हो गया. He is 80, still he is strong. I like tennis, while my brother likes badminton. ये वैसा ही है ना जैसा हमने यहाँ पे पढ़ा था. Neha likes tea but Shreya likes coffee. In that place we are writing I like tennis but my brother likes badminton. But भी use हो सकता था. He is a beggar, however he owns 3 luxury cars. इसको हम स्टार्टिंग में भी लगा सकते हैं. However he owns 3 luxury cars, he is a beggar, comma, he is a beggar. Though he is poor, yet he is honest. Although he ran fast, he could not win the race. यहाँ पे maybe we cannot use but, so that's why we're using this. Connectors to show the choice. Just like or, we use connectors like either or, neither nor to show choice or possibility. So moving further, we are on page number 250. Either or is used in the positive sense, neither nor is used in the negative sense. Either he or his brother did it. दोनों में से एक ने तो करा है. He was neither fined nor warned. Means दोनों चीज़ें ही नहीं हुई. दोनों में से एक ने तो करा है. That means positive and negative sense. Fine. So this is what we'll be studying in our next video. So I hope you understood the 3 basic things of the conjunctions. They are used for joining the similar idea, showing contrast and showing choice. Basically we can use and, but, and, or, but we have studied about few more connectors for showing these things. So here we finish a topic on page number 248 and 249. Thank you.